It is pollen season in Florida, and that means we need to change the filter. The seller sent us this filter in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video, as well as that really dirty filter on the right, are my own. In addition to the color of the filter, you can also tell when it needs to be changed by the pressure in your pump. This is significantly higher than it should be. So I'm going to go ahead and turn off the pump. That way I can take the old filter out and put the new one in. This filter was just cleaned on Tuesday. So today's Friday, and this was just cleaned on Tuesday. This looks way, way better. I went ahead and reinstalled the filter cartridge top and opened the vent that is on the filter cartridge top. You want to push all of the air through the vent until water spews out in order to make sure that this is running efficiently. It will take a little longer than if you were just cleaning your regular filter because the filter is new. Then I went ahead and closed the vent, and the pressure is back down to a normal range.